Welcome to Crystal Glassworks. I'm Maria, and I've worked here for 15 years. Today, I'm going to take you on an incredible journey.
Keep coming straight back, driver. You're clear on the left, and stop.
Our primary ingredient is silica sand, the purest quality, containing over 99% silicon dioxide.
These silos hold enough raw materials for 2 weeks of continuous production. The main ingredients: silica sand.
We're proud that up to 90% of our glass can be recycled cullet. Recycled glass melts at lower temperatures.
Each ingredient plays a vital role. Silicon dioxide forms the glass network. Sodium oxide. The batch house is the brain of our raw materials operation. Every gram is precisely calculated. Our recipe calls for exact proportions.
Computer-controlled weighing ensures consistency batch after batch. Accuracy within 0.1%.
This is where the magic begins. All those carefully weighed ingredients now blend together in this mixer for about 3 minutes.
Welcome to the heart of glassmaking, the furnace hall. That massive structure before you.
The batch chargers feed raw materials into the furnace at precisely controlled rates. That layer of unmelted batch.
Inside the melting zone, temperatures reach 1,550 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt steel.
The furnace control room monitors over 2,000 data points every second. Thermal cameras map the glass surface.
This furnace weighs over 3,000 tons and contains 2,500 tons of specialized refractory brick.
After melting and refining, the glass flows into the working end. Here it cools to approximately.
From this gray powder to liquid fire to this crystal clear bottle, the transformation is remarkable. The glass.
These are the 4 hearts.
Influences. The glass flows like honey at this temperature. 1,100 degrees create the perfect facility.
The spout is where we transition from continuous flow to individual portions. That rotating tube, called a...
The shear blades cut with incredible precision, over 500 times per minute on our fastest machines. Each gob.
The gob distributor is like an air traffic controller for molten glass. It sends each gob to the right section of the forming machine in precise sequence.
This is the IS machine, the heart of modern bottle forming. IS stands for individual section, and this machine has 12 identical sections.
Forming happens in 2 stages. First, in the blank mold, we create the bottle's neck finish and a preliminary shape called the parison.
The invert arm performs a critical transfer, flipping the parison 180 degrees and delivering it to the blow mold. Final blowing transforms the rough parison into the finished bottle shape. Air pressure about 25 psi.
The takeout mechanism removes each formed bottle and places it on the conveyor. These bottles are still over 500 degrees.
From the forming machines, bottles merge onto a transfer conveyor heading to the annealing leher. Each bottle must be spaced precisely.
The annealing leher is essentially a very precisely controlled cooling tunnel. Inside, bottles will spend.
When glass cools too quickly, the outside shrinks before the inside, creating dangerous internal tensions. These stressed bottles could shatter spontaneously.
Thermal imaging reveals what our eyes cannot see. Notice how the bottle cores retain heat longer than the surfaces.
After 45 minutes in the lair, our bottles emerge at room temperature, fully annealed and stress-free.
Listen to that ring. That's the sound of properly annealed glass. Strong, stable, and ready for...
Before inspection, bottles receive a hot end coating. a microscopic layer of tin oxide that strengthens the surface and improves scratch resistance.
Every single bottle passes through 11 different inspection machines. We're checking for dimensional accuracy, glass
Milliseconds. High-resolution cameras capture 16 images of every bottle in a fraction of a second. Computer vision algorithms analyze.
Dimensional accuracy ensures bottles fit filling equipment perfectly. Every bottle must match specifications within
Dribble. In our quality lab, we perform detailed testing on statistical samples throughout each shift. All inspection data flows to our central quality system. We track over 50 quality parameters in real time.
A final protective coating, polyethylene this time, gives bottles a smooth, slippery surface. Robotic palletizers can build a complete pallet of bottles in under 3 minutes. Each pallet holds over 2,000 bottles arranged in precise layers.
Stretch wrapping transforms loose bottles into stable, shippable units. Multiple layers of film apply controlled temp.
Our warehouse holds over 20 million bottles ready for delivery. Automated systems track every pallet.
Every day, over 200 trucks leave our facility carrying glass bottles to customers across the country. From sand to bottle to your table, a remarkable transformation powered by chemistry, engineering, and craftsmanship. Glass is nature's perfect packaging, made from natural materials, 100% recyclable, infinitely reusable.
Our commitment to sustainability extends beyond recycling. Solar panels power 15% of our operations.
Controlling a 500-ton furnace, there's nothing else like it.
Knowing every bottle that leaves here is perfect, that matters to me.
From fine wines to craft beers, premium spirits to everyday beverages, baby food to gourmet sauces.
We've traveled from raw materials to finished products through 1,500-degree furnaces, precision forming machines,